This is my favorite subscription box. This screams summer to me. So chic. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Jessica of the blog of Miss More Style. Here on YouTube, I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel, and today I am bringing you the summer Curateur box. Woo! So, feels like just yesterday that I was filming the spring Curateur box, and I received this in the mail a couple days ago, and I was really confused because I was like, wait a second, did they send me like one of their random like promo boxes they do sometimes? So I emailed my contact, hey, like what is this? Because when I opened it, there's no like little magazine type thing that they normally come with to explain what's inside. And she's like, yes, we sent you the summer box, but please don't do anything live until, after it goes live on the website. So like literally there's no information as I film this on the website about this box. I'm gonna have to pull up the PDF that she sent me in my email with all the info to talk to you about this stuff. So thank you so much to Curateur for once again gifting me another box this month. I just want to be transparent with you guys that Curateur does gift me this subscription. Make sure that if you're not already subscribed, that you subscribe to my channel. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm almost to 10,000 subscribers. I'm so close, and I really want to get to it by my birthday in May. It seems like a lofty goal, but that's what I'm really hoping for. So if you've been watching for a while, share my channel with someone that you know that loves fashion. I really, really appreciate it. Let's get into the summer box. Make sure to check the description box below if you're interested. I will have a link so that you can check it out, as well as some promo codes so that you can save a little bit of money if this is your first time ever trying the Curateur box. This is my favorite subscription box by far. Just a little bit about it before I open this up. It is a quarterly subscription box, so you get it once every quarter, spring, summer, fall, and winter. It costs $99 a quarter, I believe. I think it's a little bit cheaper if you commit for the whole year and you pay like for the year. And the reason that I love it is that, yes, like $99 a quarter is a little bit pricier, I will say, compared to the other quarterly subscription boxes. But the value of things that you get in this box always is such a huge, like way surpasses the cost of the box. And I really appreciate that they do like a really good mix of like fashion, lifestyle, and beauty products here. Sometimes I feel like the really beauty heavy boxes, like I just accumulate like way too much beauty product, and so I like that there's some fashion and lifestyle stuff in here too. It really touches on all of my personal loves, so that's why I love it. And also it's curated by Rachel Zoe, who is just a fashion icon. Who could not love what she picks? So opening up the box, this is what it looks like inside. And normally, like I said, it would have like a really lovely printed magazine in there to sort of walk you through everything that's in there, but I'm getting mine really in advance. So the first item I'm pulling out is by a brand called Walter Baker. This is their Cozumel towel. It is a really like kind of, I mean, you're not gonna be able to see it all on the camera because if I unfold it all, it's just gonna be too big, but it's really like a massive, really long, pretty wide towel. It's got this lovely like stripe detail and little fringe on each end. It is 100% cotton, so it's really soft, feels so nice. I really think that this towel is just so chic. You could of course use it as a towel, or you could use it as like a picnic blanket for like a really cute Instagram setup, y'all know what I mean, or like you could drape this over your like outdoor furniture for like give it like an extra little bit of like chicness. I really love this because I think like having another like very nice beach towel to add to my collection is always a plus, and this one, it's honestly so huge and massive and really soft, and actually like quite thin too. Like it's not like a thick beach towel, so it will fit like really nicely in a bag. When it's folded up, it won't take up a ton of space. I think you guys know like regular beach towels, they just are so thick, so when you fold them, there's no room in your bag for like anything else. But I'm gonna fold this one up so you can see like it's all folded up and that's it. It's just really nice and compact. So beach towel retails for $110. So already with the first item that I pulled out of the box, we've already exceeded the price of the subscription box. The next item is from Marina, and it looks to be a little bit of jewelry. Really cute lavender velour type of pouch. This is their star lariat necklace, and it is absolutely so stunning. It's got this beautiful like moon and star detail on the little end of the coin there. Really pretty. It's a lariat style because lariat means end of it is going to hang down like so, but it's this very on trend chain sort of style necklace. It does adjust, have a little adjuster in the back so that you could make it be on the shorter side or the longer side. I think I'm just gonna pop it on because why not? This necklace is 18 karat gold plated brass with cubic zirconia stars, and it retails for $120. So pretty. Let me just get up close so you can see it on. Marina is a Los Angeles-based brand, and she makes really fun pieces that you can wear every day, but that still make a statement. This piece was made in collaboration with Rachel Zoe for this box. I think it's so stunning. I could see this like working so well layered with a bunch of my other necklaces. So this is going to be a very welcome addition to my jewelry collection. The next item is from Marc Jacobs Beauty. Their Recovering Hydrating Coconut Lip Oil. Let's just pop this out. This product retails for $29. Here is the packaging. Oh my god, it smells so good. Like coconuts, I love anything like coconut scented. It just screams summer to me. Let me just read the description really fast. So it says, summer lips need extra attention, and this coconut lip oil penetrates deep into the skin for maximum hydration. You can wear it alone for a subtle glossed look, or layered on top of your favorite lipstick for a shiny finish. So that is really cool. Like it's something that you can use also with your lipstick or on its own. Sometimes I feel like these like lip oil type things you're supposed to just put on your bare lips, but it's good to know that I can use it in both situations. It has 5 forms of coconut and vitamin E. It has an instant and all-day hydration. Lips look smoother, fuller, and more youthful. And what this formula does is it helps to rehydrate your lips and help to relieve dryness. You know, in the summertime, especially if you're outside in the sun a lot, like sometimes your lips take a beating. So this is a great thing to have on hand in your purse just to help hydrate them and keep them feeling plump and beautiful and juicy all summer long. Okay, so the next item I'm pulling out is apparently a choice item, and I really have no idea what the other choice item was. So if you happen to get this box and you chose something different, comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. But it is another piece from Walter Baker, the same brand that made that towel, and I don't think you're gonna be able to see it here, but I'll insert a shot of me wearing this. But it is like a beachy, like cover-up kimono type of situation. This is called their Tulum caftan, and it retails for $198. So we are really racking up the value of this box with this piece. This is a really lightweight sheer piece in this really fun like tropical print, and of course this would look fantastic on vacation over the top of like a black or like white bathing suit, or like any of the colors that are in this bathing suit, like a solid colored bathing suit, big floppy hat. But then I think it would also look great over like a tank top and jeans with some sandals. Like this could be a piece that would be super versatile, and I just love it. It's got like a definite like boho vacation vibe. It's making me want to travel somewhere tropical right now. Oh my god, I cannot wait for the summer. I feel like it's going to be a good one after last summer. It's just so pretty. I love things like this. I can never have too many of these like kimono things in my wardrobe. The next item is a skincare item from this brand called One Kind. It is their Golden State Carrot Seed and Rosehip Nourishing Face Oil. This retails for $45. This is a clean beauty favorite. It will nourish and rehydrate your skin after a day out in the sun. You can use it in the morning on your skin before you apply your sunscreen, and then at night after you've applied your moisturizer before bed. This luxurious blend of nourishing all-natural oils and extracts delivers deep hydration and age-fighting antioxidants. Rosehip seed oil actually brightens your skin, and it can help increase cell turnover. Carrot seed oil can help fight fine lines and sun damage, so it can help fight the signs of aging. The description says, consider this your good lighting in a bottle. So this is supposed to really help your skin. And I think this is something that's great to have in a summer box, because this is the time of year when we all spend a lot more time in the sun, and we all know while the sun is amazing, has vitamin D, it just makes us happier. It also can be really hard on our skin, so it's important to not only wear sunscreen all the time, all year long, but especially in summer, and then to use products like this to help counteract the negative aspects of sunshine in our lives and in our skin. Also want to note that this is plant-based and is Leaping Bunny certified for those of you who only use vegan beauty products. Right, so we have come to the last item. Is the Rachel Zoe Capri Tote, which is this super cute little tote bag. It retails for $105. It's got this like black faux leather trim on the top and the handles. Of course it says Zoe right there on the bottom, and it's kind of like this like woven, like natural feeling texture. I believe it is canvas. I feel like this is just the perfect tote bag for summer. It's a pretty good size inside, so you could fit like a lot of daily essentials in there. It would go with so many different like casual summer outfits. And I feel like you could take this to the beach, you could take it on a picnic, to the farmer's market, running your errands every day. Just a good, like, you know, mid-sized tote bag that can just fit so many things and be so cute in so many different situations. So definitely the perfect little summer bag to have around. All right, now that I've finished the unboxing, tally up this season's total. Okay, the summer box total is $607, which of course is about $500 more than you spent on the box, which is pretty good. Some of the past Curator boxes have been higher, but I really think this box was a perfect summer box. Like, all the products in it were just really, really ideal for summertime. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of all of them. So I just have to say, this was a really good box. Comment down below. Let me know if you are getting the summer box or if you got it. What do you think about it? If you got different items than me, also please leave me a comment and let me know what you got. I'm so curious to know. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe. And while you're here, watch a couple more videos. I think you're really going to enjoy these. I handpicked them just for you. And I will see you all on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.